Why are you moving that, John?
It's being choked out by this broccoli. It's not really getting any sunlight because of this broccoli. So I'm gonna move them.
And what is that you're moving?
This is Chinese cabbage.
Chinese cabbage?
Mm-hmm. See this, how this looks right here? Chinese cabbage.
Cabbage.
Chinese cabbage. That's what it's called. Chinese cabbage.
Okay.
It's good. I'm just pinching off of it. See? Red dragon.
Mm-hmm. And we eat that raw, just like lettuce. Now where you gonna move that to?
I'm just gonna put it right here. These beans is getting ready to come up. See that all them beans in there?
Mm-hmm. We need to pull all those beans.
Yeah, all this is about out of season, so I'm just gonna put this right here. It ain't gonna bother nobody. It don't hurt nothing, hurt nobody.
Mm-hmm.
So, but when I pull this stuff up right here, I'm just gonna mulch it up and put it in the compost or chew it up and put it back into the soil.
Okay.
That's what we's gonna do.
That's what we's gonna do. Okay.
Mm-hmm. But these dead leaves I'm just breaking off. I really want to taste these and see how they taste.
Taste what? We'll pull some and we go wash it and let's put it in our salad. Don't have no taste. Just lettuce. Tastes like lettuce.
Just like cabbage.
It tastes like cabbage. It tastes like lettuce.
Like lettuce, like a salad, because it's really good for like salads and stuff.
Okay. All righty.
Be something good to put on the salad.
Okay. Then that's what we're gonna try it and see. See what it tastes like.
We got all this and some mustard. This is cabbage too. These are gonna create a head. That one's gonna create a head too. This red cabbage. It's starting to form in there, and you see these starting to form. It's gonna take a little while, but I mean it's good for it's a winter crop, so we'll see what it look like later on down the line.
Okay.
Had to come in here and spray it because it had some worms that started eating it up. So I grabbed my trusty garlic and ginger. It's over here somewhere. Right
It's
here.
behind you.
Now, don't look at the bottle. The bottle says something else. This is garlic and ginger in here. And I just spray the plants and help it come back.
Okay.
Get the bugs off of it. But in the meantime, this dead stuff, I'm trying to get it off the ground. That's all I'm doing.
Okay. And you're gonna take that and put it in the compost.
It's gonna be compost. That's what it's gonna be.
Okay.
That's exactly what TT is.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Well, we'll talk to you later.
We'll talk to you later.
Bye.
It's a yellow jacket in there. You gotta come